Hey guys, welcome back to the yet another vlog of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope all of you are doing good. My name is Dr. Shabista Jabi and I make videos related to dentistry. So if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, a very big thank you for coming back and viewing my video, because when you like, share and subscribe, it serves as a motivation for us. So today we are going to talk about what are the 5 stages that happens in every dentist life. That means I'm going to tell you what are the 5 stages that every dentist has to face on such situation. So please watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out any important content of my video. So the first stage, that is the introduction stage, then there is growth stage, then the third stage is the maturity stage, the fourth is the saturation, and the fifth stage is the decline. So what happened in the introductory stage? In the introductory stage, when you entered into a dental college and you start practicing dentistry, there in the mind, at that time in the mind, you have the fear that whether in future I'll be able to earn such a huge amount of money so that I can make my family happy, and I can have, or moreover, if the student, they are just learning, either they just took admission on the basis of a loan, then they will start thinking that whether I'll be able to repay that loan back or not. So these are the situation that goes in a dentist mind at this time, whether it's gonna work or not, what I'm gonna do. So basically this introductory phase of yours will last up to 5 years, and if you pursue Master of Dental Surgery, that is MDS, then it may go and last for up to 8 years also. So what basically is that you always have to remember that it is not a 2020 match, it is not a 2020 game, it is a test match that you have to keep on playing it. It is not like that you work for 1 year and you have whole lot of a amount of money to survive for until next years. So this you have to make it clear in your mind that if you have been here and you have been landed over here, then you have to work hard for it so that you achieve or you strive at the best point of the dentistry. The second stage which come, that is the growth stage, that basically last for about 0 to 4 years, or first in some cases it may go and last for about 5 years also. So what basically happen in the growth stage, you have settled up your clinic and the patient are coming, but patient number is very few because competition is very much in the market. You see nearby clinic and you see that 10 to 15 patients sitting in the OPD and waiting for their turn, and when you come to a clinic you see that OPD benches are nearly empty, either 1 or 2 patients are sitting there, and this may cause stress in your mind and may or may not lead to the decline of your practice. So that what basically you have to think, you just have to keep moving. If the nearby clinic is earning more amount of money as compared to yours, one day you will be earning the same. You have just now opened the clinic, it is the struggle phase, you have to keep on struggling for entirely 0 to 4 years. Then you're gonna have your lavish practice, a whole amount of patient will be there, you can practice on them, then you can earn money from it also. So always you have to remember that if your growth phase is going good, then only this growth phase you will enter into the maturity level, and maturity level strives that when you start practicing fearlessly and you have your OPD full of patient. At this stage you do not have to think for the patient, and you start planning for family and you start expanding on your family also, because अभी आपका बहुत पैसा इस स्टेज में बच रहा है, आगे कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, ये सब आप उस टाइम पे सोच सकते हैं. It is this stage, the maturity stage is the stage when you start enjoying the premium. Now you are being called as a senior dental practitioner. You are just practicing dentistry and you are enjoying the premium. Why you are just relaxed over there in this phase? Because you have done so much of struggle, your so much of practice is being there in the introductory stage, and then in the growth stage, and then you have entered the maturity stage. So just keep practicing, and after these maturity stage, there is a stage which lies over here after, is that when you have a stage of saturation. That is when you cross the age of 50 years, then there will be a stage of saturation over there. That means when you will see that you will go on, you will deal with the patient, you will feel like not doing the patient, you are just striving hard whether what to do, I should do the patient or not, because you are at that stage where it may happen to some people or may not happen, that they may think that it is the stage that they should take rest at this time. But you have to always remember that saturation stage is not a period of rest. In the saturation stage, you just don't have to think about patient कि patient आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. अभी आपका practice establish हो गया है, अभी आपके पास patient आएंगे ही आएंगे. Now the patient will come to you. You do not have to go to the patient. It is that stage. You are much more confident enough, you have your family, you have your kids there at your back, so that means you just do not have to think about कि आज patient आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, आज कितना earn होगा नहीं होगा करके, because now you have established practice, patient are coming to you, you are a senior dental practitioner. And after this saturation stage, you have a stage of decline. When you cross the age of 55 and above, you have your child at maturity level, whether he or she pursue dentistry. So at this stage, I would advise everyone to take a rest, to take a break from it, and just to do whatever thing you wanted to do in your life but was not able to do because you have your clinic, you have your kids to spend time with them. So whatever things you have missed on in the entire last years, you have to complete all that things in this decline phase. Stop going to the clinic. Just keep one graduate over there who will look after the patient, and if in your family you have your son or a daughter who has done dentistry, you can teach them how to do it, because it is very, very essential that in this decline stage that you just now start acting as a mentor. You have to start acting as a mentor in the decline stage. So because when you have your decline stage, you have to enjoy that phase, and you can only enjoy that phase when the stress over here is low. If the stress is same as all other stages, then decline stage can be worst also. So that what you have to do, you have to start thinking about it, how you will shape and how you will go on and how will you carry on with your dental practice. So this was all about the stages that the dentist has to face in his lifetime. So if you have just liked this video, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any problem, you can just put it down in the comment section, and you can also follow me on the Instagram. You can message me directly over there. I will definitely reply to your queries, whatever it is. I will try my best to reply to your queries, and please do like, share and subscribe, because it serves as a motivation for us to make more important and amazing video related to dentistry. So I am just signing it off. Bye bye, take care.